Hello guys.
Today, I will show you how to run VPS alongside your Minecraft server. You can use any hosting. Watch step by step. Download the plugin from my server in the upload.in-plugin folder and hit restart. Wait till everything set up correctly. Now setup is complete. Start the Ubuntu using .RSLProot start. Now get your SSH using .RSLProot tmate start. Now you can use your VPS smoothly. Discord link in description. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye guys!